Alright, so let us now go and discuss how to make stem and leaf plot for back-to-back data. So what does this mean? So the back-to-back stem and leaf plot below shows the scores of two basketball teams for the games in one season. So what we do here, we're going to make there's left and right side of the stem. Right, as you can see, we have two teams that we're trying to compare, the Falcons and the Cardinals team. So what you do, 1-8 for Falcons means 81. So we're reading the left side of the data from the stem going to the leaf part. So that means the left side is being read from right to left. Okay, starting with the stem, while the Cardinals is usually done the easy way, how stem and leaf part is done. So 86 means 86 points. So let's have some examples so that this will be much clearer. So for example, we have two cities. So we have city A and city B. Okay, so the back-to-back stem and leaf plot is used when we are comparing two sets of data that belong to one classification. So like here we have Falcons and Cardinals belong to the classification of basketball teams. While here we have two cities. So I'm gonna take these two cities as trying to save the earth and they're planting trees. So city A in the first week planted 5 trees. Alright, on the second week it planted 15 more trees, and the third week it got 32, and in the fourth week they got 28, and on the fifth week they were able to plant 18 trees. While city B in the first week was able to plant 15 trees, on the second week was able to plant 25 trees, on the third week was able to plant 30 trees, and on the fourth week was able to plant 17 trees, and on the last week was able to plant 39 trees. So how do we make this into stem and leaf plot? So what we do, you have to make sure that you identify first the least and the greatest value in both of your values, two sets. So the least value here is 5, while the greatest is 39. Same as what we have been doing since we started stem and leaf plot, we identify the highest place value. So and 39, we will compare the two values that we have here. So 39's highest place value is on the 10th place, while 5 highest place value, this is on the ones place, right? So what we do, we add a placeholder which is a 0, so therefore its 10th place is already a 0 right here. And let's start constructing our stem and leaf plot, which is a back-to-back. So that means our stem is in the middle, alright, and then CTA will be on the left side, and then CTB will be on the right side. So let's start inputting our stem part. So the lowest is 0 and then going to 3. So we have 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Let's input the data first for the CTB. So first it has 15. So to write 15, this is 10, and then add 5, so that's 15. Then 25, so 2, 5. And then 30 will be 3, 0. And then we have 17. 17 is 1, 7. And 39 is 3, 9. Right? So CDB is just simple. What about the CDA? So CDA, we need to start from its 10th place going to its 1st place. So this one, 5 is 0, 5. Alright. And then 15 is 1, 5. So the 10th place is on the stem part. And then 32 is 3 and 2. And then we have 28 is 2, 8. And then 18 is 1, 8. Right here. Okay, so this is our data right now. As you can see, we have completed the chart. So this is the back-to-back stem and leaf part. So you can add a line here. And then don't forget to write the key. So the key for the CTA should be So when it's 5/0, that means this is equal to 5. Alright, that's not equal to 50. And also, you can write it on the bottom. I wrote it at the side. You can add more. So you could write 8/1. This is 18 and not 81. Alright, so be careful. On the other hand, let's continue. So for CTB, when you write the key, it will just be 1/5 is equal to 15 trees. So you can add the unit. So 15 trees that they planted. So you can add the unit here also. So 5 trees. So this is how we do the back to